So guys, welcome back to a new video and welcome back to the Pure Performance channel, and we have one very exciting unboxing video here today. Obviously we got it on Thursday, so we're opening it on Sunday with Powerflex. So yeah, let's get into it. So here's the parcel that we got on Thursday from Powerflex. Would have opened it sooner, but we've been at Low Collective. Yeah, so thank you very much, Powerflex. We're gonna begin with opening it. Don't wanna damage anything inside. And we have a load of payments. So all of these parts are for our Subaru Impreza build, our hatchback, obviously if you've seen in previous videos. And so we've got a range of bushings, but I've gone for the black series more than I wanted to go for more of the track and racing, because obviously that's what the car's going to be used for, as we're going to be pushing some really top power on this car. And so yeah, so I'm pretty sure these are the rear mount bushings, which are the black series, because obviously we've got BLK, and yeah, so that's the first lot of bushings. We didn't get some more of these peanuts out of the way. So we've then got another set, because there is 2 on the rear and then 2 on the other side, so 4 altogether. And then these ones, rear subframe front bushings inserts. Again, going for the black series, which is again very much needed for the car. Again, another lot of black series for the Powerflex bushings, and these ones are for the rear lower track control inner arms. So here we go. Again, really well packaged. This parcel has been as well, so very much recommend Powerflex if you're ever going to get some bushings. Probably one of the best out there, and I just love their products so much. Again, these ones are for the rear trailing arms for the rear. Again, we've gone for the black series as well. I think we went for the black series on all of them, but maybe one of them we didn't. Here again, rear trailing arms for the front, and just again we're going for the black series. If anyone has a WRX and wants to know which bushings that we went for, or which ones that they should choose, just give us a message and I'll be more than happy to help. These ones are for the towing adjusting inners arms for the rear as well. So yeah. Some front arm, front bushings as well. I think they're for the control arms. Yeah, 2 of them there. More bushings to come. Again, these ones are for the rear upper inner wishbone bushings. Again, a lot of bushings for this car. Wait until I have to fit them. Can't wait. Rear upper wishbone inner front. So I'm guessing there's the front, and then obviously you've got a rear one on both sides. But I'll soon show you in the actual video when we have all of these parts off the car. This one, again, another Black Series. We are looking at the rear diff front mount bushings. Very much needed, I believe, for anything that we're going to be doing with this Subaru, especially if we're going to be racing it. We could get a lot of better performance out of it. And again, the front wishbone, rear bushings, and this is the last one that we have in the box. Yeah, that is it. So here they are in all of their glory. I just wanted to thank Powerflex once again for this amazing opportunity to work with them. These are going to benefit the Subaru in so many ways, like through tracking and through performance and everything like that. If you do have any questions for the build, or you have any questions with Powerflex, do contact us on our socials, and they will be all linked in our description. And if you do want more information on different cars or anything, just go over to Powerflex's website. We will also put the website in the description, just to help you guys out. And the video will be coming soon for these to be fitted. Basically, we have them to fit, we have the sway bars to fit, we've got coilovers to fit, we've got the spoiler to fit. We're about to import our body kit, so that shall be a very fun thing to do for them. So yeah, so if you have any questions for the project or anything, or you want to know anything about it, or you have any problems with your car and you think that we might be able to help, we're more than happy to take any questions again on our socials, which will also be in the description. And so yeah, a lot to come for, was it next year's events and stuff like that. That's hopefully when we will be having this car completed, or just about completed, and then we can, you know, show it off in all of its glory at every event possible that we go to. So yeah, so thank you for watching and have a good day.